Fellow YouTubers, this is Solo Boss again. About to do a review on my everyday carry. So my first thing I'm gonna show you is the chain with the ring. I carry a jewelry on me every day. A little skull thing, stainless steel cut thing. This is my clip. My 22, my Bulldog holster, of course wallet with everything in it, my vape pen, and my lovely ammo. So all you see here is what I carry, plus the chain. It's what I do. Live in the hood, so gotta carry something. A low grade person, a little piece of crap wallet. Things you see is what I carry. Even my vape pen, which I'm proud of. So yeah. Lady keeps the keys anyway, so yeah. Putting things into perspective about me. Wallet, chain, holster, simple shit, simple things. My bad. So yeah, and I'm happy with it until I can do better. Peace.